Hello, Walton parents. Welcome to our open house presentation.
My name is Sarah Grimes, and I'm the Executive Orchestra Director.
And I'm Perry Holbrook, and I'm the Artistic Orchestra Director.
The best way to get in touch with us is to send us an email. Our email addresses are on this slide. You can also check out the orchestra website for the most up-to-date information.
The next slide we're going to look at is our grading scale. The percentages, you can see on our slide what you have to do to get a great grade in this class.
Thank you so much for joining us at our orchestra parent meeting last week. Just a few reminders, all information and assignments are on CTLS. We will be sending monthly communication via CTLS Parent. On that platform and also on our website, you will be able to find our calendars for the year. Our orchestra fees were due last week, so if you haven't paid, please go ahead and do that, and if you have, thank you so much.
Finally, Uniform Check-in Picture Day is September the 3rd. Gentlemen, make sure you realize you need a black tuck shirt. It's linked on the orchestra website. You can go there and find out how to order it. And then both ladies and gentlemen need to make sure that they have black dress shoes to complete their uniform.
Second period Dorian, 6th period Aeolian, and 7th period Locrian are our on-level orchestra classes. We are working on tuning, refining bow strokes, finger patterns, and intonation. Our first concert will be on Thursday, September 23rd, and our second concert on Thursday, November 18th. Third period Symphonia is our third audition ensemble. We're working on tuning, finger patterns, and shifting. Our first concert for Symphonia will be on Thursday, September 23rd, and our concert number 2 will be on Thursday, November 18th.
Fourth period Philharmonia, we are working on advanced techniques. We're working on proper body motion, the ergonomically correct way to play our instruments. Our first concert of the year is September the 20th, and our second concert of the year is November the 18th. Chamber Orchestra is 5th hour. In this class, we're working on the fine nuances of music. Again, proper contra-body motion, that ergonomically correct way to play. We do have rehearsals each Monday night. We just had our first rehearsal, great attendance. Our first concert of the year is September the 20th. We are having what we call an open rehearsal for our second concert of the year. That's Monday, November the 15th. And then finally, our Chicago repertoire will be performed in its entirety on Thursday, December the 9th. If all goes well, we will be in Chicago for that trip and that performance, and that will be December the 13th through December the 16th.
We hope you enjoy a little snippet of what we've been working on in class.